Hey everyone, brace yourselves because we've got a major weather alert to talk about. A massive snowstorm is on its way, and it looks like it's going to be a big one. Forecasters are predicting significant snowfall, strong winds, and potentially hazardous travel conditions starting late tomorrow evening and continuing through the next couple of days. So this is not something to take lightly. It's crucial to prepare now. Make sure you have enough food, water, and essential supplies to last a few days. Check your emergency kits, charge your devices, and have flashlights and batteries ready in case of power outages. Please avoid any unnecessary travel once the storm hits. Stay safe, stay warm, and let's get through this together. I'll keep you updated as more information comes in. So be sure to subscribe for the latest alerts. Thanks for watching.